I do football and basketball. I hate to come up here last. I never wanted to do it again because what happened to me one time as being the last speaker. A number of years ago, I was in spring training and I got a call that I had to go to Washington immediately. They were having a big dinner for President Reagan, and they knew that I was very good friends with him and the family, so I had to go out to Washington for this big affair. When I got there was 3,000 people in this huge room at the hotel, and they had two speakers, Margaret Thatcher and me. And she spoke first. She got 3 standing ovations while she was speaking. And I'm sitting there crying. How could they do that to me? And this lady speaking, she just thrilled everybody. So when they introduced me, I don't know, something came to my mind. And I said, you know, when I found out that I was to speak to an illustrious group of people, I said to myself, Tommy, you better sit down and write the best speech you have ever done in your life. At 3 o'clock this morning, I had it. I said, this speech will definitely make an impact on those people. And when I got to Washington, I lost my speech and Margaret Thatcher found it. Of course, it saved my life.